At the end of this month, I'm going to be inviting everybody from Norton Way to come and join a business update that I'm going to be doing around the whole business. Across 2 days, I'm going to meet in London and Letchworth and spend about an hour with every one of you talking about where we are as a business, and also to talk about a philosophy I've got of shifting gears. Well, what's shifting gears? It's about us going from where we are now to somewhere even better. So I want to focus on the amazing customer and colleague experiences that we give. I want us to focus on the real benefits of having great core processes across our business. And ultimately, what I want to leave you thinking about is our role as ladies and gentlemen within our business, looking after our customers, who are also ladies and gentlemen. So look out for some more information. It's going to come to you from your heads of business. It's going to be on the 30th and 31st of October, and I want everybody to come along and join me for about an hour to talk about where we are as Norton Way and how we go from where we are today to somewhere even better in the future.